Asante.
Okay, asante. Okay, hello guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. We are together with yeah, she's one of my staff mates. So it is lunchtime, so we just want to see someone here in the village. We want to see someone here. You can see what Emma is carrying. Emma, what is that?
I don't know whether it's a calabash
or a gourd, okay. Yeah, so we are going to one of the pupils' home. Okay, I'm not going to show the people on camera. So we are just with him. He had this thing, yeah. And I asked him, okay, he told me that the grandmother make this. So you can see this, guys. So I've decided to come to their home. In fact, we've used a motorbike because of time. Because after this, we are supposed to go back. So thank you so much for watching. Emma, can you say something maybe before we get into this home?
We are just inviting you to like the video.
Okay.
You will learn more.
Yeah.
And we are going even to know the use of this
okay.
where
Yeah.
it is coming from.
Yeah. Okay. So I think this is their home. Are you seeing this? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so this is sorghum. When this one is ripe, then it is the one that we mix with the cassava, maybe to make porridge or ugali. Okay, ugali. Good. Okay, unaitwa nani, ma'am?
Naomi Kwamboka.
So Naomi Kwamboka is the grandmother to the child who has brought me here. So guys, I want to show you the leaves of the gourd. Use this one is a lat. You're supposed to close it like this. There's another leaf here, yeah? Okay, yeah. Ulipata wapi mbegu?
Nilipata kutoka nyumbani.
Okay, so she's saying that she got the seeds from home. Kissy, she's taking me around her farm. Remember, I'm meeting her for the first time. Guys, things like this nowadays, they are very rare. They are very rare in our village. Ulikata? Unakata tu mwenyewe?
Nilikata.
Unatumia nini?
Natumia kisu.
Unatoa kabla haijakauka?
Ninaweka, inatoa kama haijakauka. Ninaweka kwa sehemu nini baridi. Naweka chifu. Sasa ile ninakata hivi, naweka chifu.
Unaweka jivu chini ama
ndani?
Ndani.
Alafu isabise ndani hiyo kibuyu.
Okay, okay. She's saying that she take them from the farm when they are not dried. Then uses a knife to cut them. Sasa ukishatoa jivu sasa unaosha na maji ama uoshi na maji na kata?
Sasa unaweka maji ndio unasabisa kabisa. Sasa ile nini
ile imebaki kidogo.
Alafu nini ile inatoka mbegu.
Sasa ile jivu inasaidia ile mbegu kutoka.
Okay. Sasa itoke hapa.
You can preserve maybe if it is your beans, you can preserve it inside there. Yeah. And guys, we always have others that are bigger than these. So this one can be used as a kayamba. Look at the way she's doing it. So when you put, is it sand? Tunaweka nini ndani? Michanga. So we can put, so okay, we can put small stone. We can put small stone inside there, and then we can just play it like the way that mom is doing it. The two, she has told me that there are some people want to take it to church so that they can use it, yeah?
Actors kayam.
As actors kayam. She wants to wash for me the gourd. So excited. Home, I've decided to take this. I've given 100 shillings, Kenya shillings. And this one, she has given me for free, guys. So guys, continue watching my video. I'll be showing you how to use this in the village because she has told me everything about it, what you're supposed to put inside here. Sasa mama, si tumeshukuru sana. Mungu akubariki sana.
Na nyinyi pia.
Aya, asante, tutatembea siku nyingine.
Karibu.
So guys, I was just saying bye, and then I was thanking her for giving us this. So thank you. Continue watching the video until then.
Asante.
Okay, asante. We are leaving the home. Madam Emma.
Yes.
Have you ever seen this?
No, I saw it for the first time, but I also remember my grandma used to have it long time ago.
Long time ago. Your grandma,
that one was 1990.
1993.
93.
Yes. Yeah, that's long.
So,
yeah.
till she passed on, nobody have ever used it. At least we found them again.
Okay. So they always build like this, Emma, because of security.
Security.
Yeah, yeah. It is just houses round. Yeah. So guys, let us get into this one. I want to show you something. The cows are this is cow dung. Yeah. Okay, in some places cows can sleep outside, but here, because of maybe security, it is just for security purposes, guys. Yeah. Long time ago, they could just tie, maybe if it is their animals, just here, you see, outside. But nowadays it is not possible. That is why they have this house here. Yeah, here, and also this one, guys. Yeah, you see. So here, yeah. So you see, okay, there is no enough light, but this is where the animals sleep. Okay, after closing the door, they put this, you see, this one. Yeah. So this one, after closing the door, then they put this on, and then they put some sticks. Yeah. So for security purposes, guys. So in fact, it's also a door. Aya, asante. Aya, sawa.